Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I am just doing a very simple layout here in this traveling Bible that I received. So basically what I'm going to do is just put some stickers in here. You'll see this layout and I'll just come back and share with you my thoughts on it. But we are in Galatians chapter 5 verse 1, just really thinking about freedom today. And what a great verse to journal in a Bible that is not your own. So I'm excited for whoever is going to receive this Bible. I hope that they just really feel the love and the thoughts that I have with respect to, just being free in Christ. So if you're ready to get started, let's hop to it. For this entry, I'm going to keep it really simple using our Galatians chapter 5 verses 1, Liberty Creative Faith Crew printable. And I will just probably using this page the most, although I do have the option of using the bigger girls. But since I am in a smaller margin here, about 2 inches, I'll probably use just the smaller girls here. The verse that I'm using is chapter 5 verse 1, and it says, For freedom Christ has set us free. Stand firm therefore, and do not submit again to a yoke of slavery. So that is the verse I'm going to be focused on today. And really what I'm doing, this is actually a traveler's Bible. A traveling Bible is a Bible that basically is shared amongst multiple women. I think there were 25 people signed up for this one, and what happens is we will do an entry and then we'll send it on to the next person to do an entry. So you can do 1 or 2 entries. I'll probably do 2 entries, and once you're done with your entries, you send it on to the next person who then gets to do their entries. And it's really fun and a great time to just see other people's amazing Bible journaling work as well. So I am going to place these stickers down. And these stickers are created using a HP printer. I have an HP printer and the HP ink subscription program. So I can print I think $10 I can print 300 copies, colored copies. It's a pretty good deal. And so I print using that service. And then I cut them out with my Silhouette machine. But you can also cut them out by hand. You can cut them out with scissors, You could cut them out with a Cricut, with a Brother Scan and Cut, with a gyro cutter, anything that you can get your hands on, you could use. So what I'm going to do right now is just take each of these off and place them down, and I'll come back in just a moment and share with you my thoughts. So I'll fast forward through this part since it's really just me placing down some stickers. Okay, I am back, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a little tab on top with this little ball, cute little beach ball. But before I do that, I want to put something on the back of this, just so I kind of keep this side that's going to peek out from the back of my Bible not sticky. Now I can use this EK Success powder, but this also, by doing it this way, I get a thicker tab essentially. So I'm kind of making like a die cut tab out of this to stick at the top, which is something that I love to do with my Bibles. It's just so fun. always have a fun time Bible journaling. I have a little bit of stickiness because I didn't lay that down right, so let me see if I can try that again. Anytime you lay a sticker down, just be careful when you pull it back up. You can generally get another try at it. Let's see. There we go. There, that's much better. And so what I have here is the verse which says, "Stand firm therefore in the liberty by which Christ has made us free, and don't be entangled again with the yoke of bondage." Galatians 5:1 web. So now they have, whoever gets this Bible gets the translation of this Bible, which this one, I don't actually own this one, so this is neat to have a chance to play with this one. So this is an ESV Bible, and it's really cute. Single column journal Bible. I have not had a chance to purchase this one. It's got a really nice leather cover to it. But so then they have an ESV version, and then they also have a WEB version as well. And then I put the words "I am free" here, and then just added the little stickers to create a scene. So this is just a really quick and easy Bible journal. Whenever I do Bible journaling for a traveling Bible, the first thing I do is I pray over it. So I want to pray over this, and just whoever receives this Bible will just hopefully be very, excited about it and have a lot of prayers and blessings. And I'm pretty sure most of the women that do their Bible journaling in their traveler's Bible journal also pray over it. So anyways, this is just a really simple and easy Bible journaling technique, and I hope that it inspired you to grow in the Word creatively today. I hope you have a fabulous day now. Goodbye.